Hi guys, it's Heather. I am here with a Wholesale Supplies Plus haul. I'm probably going to have two of those this month. I placed an order for this box and then 3 days later I placed another order. So we'll probably have two of these this week. I had two special orders come in, so I ended up making two different orders. Now first up, I'm re-upping my loofah soaps. And I got a larger size of loofah, so we're going to see how that works out and what I can get these lovely little things to look like. I am making a ton of sugar scrubs, so I have 38 bottles or jars and lids with the seal intact. These over here, try to find out where I'm going to sit them. There we go. I ordered my little spatulas to go with my sugar scrubs because it's never a good idea to reach in with your hand. It's always good to have a spatula. Love the bubble wrap. I always use this bubble wrap when I'm packaging orders. I don't ever waste it. I got Kelly Green jojoba beads. And I got some pink vitamin E Vitaburst beads. I just really wanted to test these out. They swell a little bit when you put them in your products. And I think they would be pretty topping a soap. But I also think this would be great in my new lotions, especially for summer and springtime. As usual, tons of citric acid. I do have, I believe, a 50-pound bag coming in my next order, if I'm remembering correctly. I got my potassium hydroxide, which I'm going to do a potassium and sodium hydroxide shaving soap. I'm going to put it in small ball jars. So I can't wait to do that. And then I got two colorants. I think that's it. Or no, three colorants. I got this gorgeous Super Sparkle that I am going to put in my sugar scrubs. The Celestial Blue, which is also going in my sugar scrubs. And I got a Nutone Red because I want to see if it really turns red. So far, Nurture Soap's the only thing I found that has a true red. So I'm going to test this one out, see if it works. That's why I got sample sizes. Although I do believe if this works out well, the Super Sparkle White Diamond Mica Powder, I may get a large jar of that because it looks gorgeous. And I like shimmer, but not as much glitter as I do shimmer. So I think this will be great. And I think the only thing I used a coupon for this month were the jojoba beads. Now, the 50-piece spatulas were on sale. And in my next order, I ordered quite a few things that were on sale. I ordered some shrink wrap, some bands. I ordered some labels, all of which were on sale and may still be. Check Wholesale Supplies Plus to find out. But this is my order, you guys. Tons of jars and lids, my loofahs, my citric acid, my potassium hydroxide, my spatulas, jojoba beads. And if you guys, my hands are clean, I have washed and alcoholed them. The colorant under my fingernails is just that colorant. Get my scissors. I just show you guys what the jojoba beads look like. They are teeny tiny. They almost look like sand if you've never seen them before. Just little bitty, almost like sand. But they're super pretty. And I've used these in cold processed soap before, and they did not melt on me, but I've had some people say that they tend to melt or that the color spreads out. I've not had that happen. Now the Vitaburst beads. I have not even tested these myself, but dry, they just look like little seeds almost. They smell good. As soon as I open the bag, they have kind of a sweet smell. Strange. I want to see if I can maybe burst one in my hand. See if I can melt it maybe. No, these are pretty sturdy. And it says it's used for manufacturing approved finished products. Let's see. Yeah, it will just absorb the oil. It doesn't actually give exact instructions on how to use it. So I'll look it up on the Wholesale Supplies Plus website just to make sure. But they're super cute. I'm excited to use it all. So I will be back probably in about a week with another video. See you later, guys. This is Heather from H&P Artistry, wishing you luck, love, and a really great day. Bye.